do from the moment we wake up until the moment we go back to sleep. So when you're at school trying to learn, your brain is working really hard. When you're playing or doing sport, your brain is doing extra work as well. And also if you're playing music, if you're reading or working on your computer, your brain is working all the time. And it makes you do these things efficiently and fast. So how does our brain do that? It's with our cognitive skills. And yeah, you guys looked at the cognitive skills and understand, right? So what are they? They are basic mental abilities that help us think and learn. It's quite as simple as that. So there are actually two parts of learning. The first one is our knowledge. And so what is our knowledge? It's everything we know. And how do we learn, or how do we accumulate this knowledge? It's from school, everything we learn at school. When we go on the internet and get some information, if we read a book, if we even talk to each other and we give each other information. This is how we get our knowledge. And the other part is the computer inside, which is our brain, and what we do with this knowledge that we have, that we know or we have gained. So these are the cognitive skills, and this is what makes us function. So the first one is our attention, and this is how much we can focus and pay attention. The second one is our memory, and this is what makes us remember. And then there is the ability to think and process fast so that we can get things done quickly. And also our visualization ability, how much we can imagine and create pictures and remember things just by closing our eyes and just remember how they look, for instance. And also the ability that makes us read and spell and do all these things well. There is the logic, how we can plan, how we can sort things out. So all these abilities are our cognitive skills. Now, what makes our bodies strong? Yeah, go ahead.
Eating vitamin C.
Vitamins is very vital. All right. So we do sports, right? We exercise and we do sports, and that's how we get our body strong. How do we get our mind or our brain or our cognitive skills to be strong? Do you know? Yes, exactly. Doing brain sports. Or brain training, as we call it in the brain workshop. So it is just simply exercising your brain. Yes. Exactly. I like him. He has a very good point. Studying also helps you, but if your skills are weak, then you can't study very well, right? So what we do is we try to make your skills stronger so you can study easier and get things done faster. So, are you ready to try some of the exercises that we do? All right? Okay. We'll start at this one. And instead of reading the word, I want you guys to say the color. Can you do that? Yeah? Okay, we'll start. Well, the first one is not there. So we start with one that says red. And instead of saying red, what are we going to say? Or black. It's actually black. So we'll say black, okay? And then the second one, what are we going to say? Blue, exactly. Good job. You guys have to kick it to do with us, okay? All right. I'm going to start and then you join in, all right? Okay, so black, yes, yellow, green, yellow, okay, green, red, blue, red, black, yellow, blue, red, black. Good job. You did wonderful. Very good job. So you know what we did here, we selected to look at the color and not the word, and that's something called selective attention. And it's very important. All right, let's try this one. This has to do with math. So we're going to look at the first column here, and instead of saying 4, we're going to add 1 to it. So instead of saying 4, we're going to say 5. Okay, and so on and so on. How about if you do this as a sort of a competition or something? Do you want to come up and do it with me? Yeah? Come on. All right, come on. We'll add 1 to just to the first column. So, can you see this first column there? Yeah, okay, so instead of saying the number, you just add 1 and say, so say 5, 3, 6, okay? And Melanie here is going to count how many you get right, okay? Alright, start.
5, 3, 6, 7, 8, 2, 9, 10, 4, 1.
Great job. These are smart ones. Thank you. Alright, do you want to come on? Alright, now you do this. Okay? And again, like he did, instead of saying the number, you add 1 to it and then you say, alright? Alright, start.
3, 2, 1, 4, 9, 10, 5, 8, 6, 4.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Okay, your turn. Alright, you take. Yes.
3, 7, 9, 5, 6, 8, 10, 1, 2, 4.
You guys are quite smart. Everybody here is quite smart. Good job. Alright, let's do another thing. I'll give you 10 seconds to look through these and remember them. And then I'll just cover it and I want you to tell me everything that was on this list. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops. Okay. Okay, you guys will say whatever is on there, and then I'm just going to bring it back. Okay, go ahead.
Ball, book, apple, car, a flower, sunglasses,